15.5 Initializing and accessing members. Initializing and accessing structure members. So far, what we learned: how to declare a structure, how to declare structure type variables. That is not enough. Next thing is, we have to initialize them. We have to give values for the members, and we have to access them, retrieve them, and manipulate them in our programs. For this purpose, the next step, now you see the same old first example I have given: report, int roll number, string char name, int hours, next hourly wage. There are 4 data members. Now, structure type report I define, that is variable, that worker 1. This is the worker 1 structure type variable I declared, and now I initialized also. Now you see struct report worker 1 is equal to, now you see the initialization procedure, it like almost like array. Now you see 1 Arun 150 15. Thereafter brace is closed and semicolon. Here you see, you should strictly follow one principle. Now what is the order of the members in the structure? Roll number, name, hours, that is number of hours, hourly wage. Now you see, in the same order you have to initialize. The first one is roll number 1, name is Arun, number of hours 150, hourly wage 15 rupees. Now you see, one more I show you, struct report worker 2, then roll number 2, Amar 215. In this manner, you can initialize. Now, in initialization, one care you must take. What is that? What is the order of the members in the structure declaration? You have to see. Order is roll number, name, number of hours, and hourly wage. Here, roll number, name, number of hours, and hourly wage. So we initialize. As a result of initialization, what happened? Now, suppose here 2 workers are there. This is, let us say, worker 1, worker 2. Now, this is the memory allocation. See the memory map. By that you can have 100% clarity about this concept. So, as a single block is allocated. Now, in this, you see, this is roll number, this is name, this is number of hours work, this is hourly wage. Same way, roll number 2, Amar 200. Then, so how much memory is allocated for each variable? Just you see, roll number 2 plus 10, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 18 bytes. This is 18 bytes. This is another 18 bytes. Understand? Now, initialization is also over. Structure, now 3 elements we learned. Structure declaration, structure type variable declaration, and initialization of structure type variables. And how those are stored in the memory, you could understand. What is the size of each variable also, we could understand. The sum of the sizes of data members is the uniform size. If you declare 100 variables also, 100 variable size is same. If you declare 100 variables also, those are declared like, those are stored in the memory in a single block like this, and each block represents a variable. Now you see, after this, what is the next step? How to access? Now you have to access 1. How can you access that? Worker 1, what 1 represents? Roll number. Worker 1, what is the second? Arun, name. Worker 1, what is the third one? Num hours. What is the fourth one? Hourly wage. Hour wage. In the same way, worker 2 also. Worker 2 roll number, worker 2 dot name like this. So this is the notation in order to access. If you are able to access now, you can write once it is initialized. If you write this one in printf, then the values are printed. Thereafter everything is same. Suppose you have to read this, now we have initialized. Instead of initialization, you want to read from console keyboard, then what should you do? In a scanf statement, ampersand worker 1 dot roll number, ampersand worker dot name, like that you can read. So up to this, all the points stage by stage, structure declaration, structure variable declaration, initialization, and accessing code for individual members of the workers. This knowledge you should have, and now with this knowledge, if you enter into the program, then you can understand everything, you can crystallize our knowledge, and let us take up a